Hello, my name is Akash Motovideo, and for my task 1, I have done greatest common factor in grouping problems. So for column A, I selected 8mH plus 32nf plus 16mf plus 16nh, and as well as the problem 20xy plus 8 plus 8x plus 20y. And for column B, I've selected 60x to the third power plus 20x to the second power plus 75x plus 25. And for the second problem, I've chosen 28xy plus 24x plus 70y plus 60. So this is the first problem. 8mH plus 32nf plus 16mf plus 16nh. So here, you want to try to find a factor. So for right here, you want to try to find the greatest common factor and pull it out so it makes it easier in the end. So first, you want to try to pull out something and simplify. So I've chosen 4, and that becomes 2mH, that becomes 8nf, that becomes 4mf, that becomes 4nh. And here I actually decided to switch these. You can rearrange the problem because you have to draw a line in the middle. So basically a line, it splits it up, and you have to pull out another factor and split it up into two problems. We'll get to that later. So to make it easier, try to put the common things next to each other where you'll be able to pull a common factor from both these. So we want to split it up into two problems. And here I've split into 2mH plus 4nh plus 4nh, and then 4mf plus 8nf. So here I took out 2h and I'm left with m. I'm left with 2n. Through the line here I took out of 4f. I'm left with m and 2n. So, and always remember 4 from the original problem. So then now what you want to do is you want to take the outside numbers and put them together in a parentheses and put the inside numbers, and it should be the same. Put that together and bring the 4 down. Now I'm going to move on to the second problem. 20xy plus 8 plus 8x plus 20y. So here I took out the greatest common factor to simplify the problem and make it easier. I took out 4, so there's a 4, 5xy plus 2 plus 2x plus 5. And here I swapped out 2, so 2x and 2 could be together, and 5xy and 5y could be together. Since we're splitting it into two problems to make it easier to find a common factor between those two. So always remember your 4. I like putting it on to the side, so it helps you concentrate on these. So I split into two problems, 2x plus 2. So I right off the bat, I see 2 as the greatest common factor. So it could be 2x plus 1, and then here, the greatest common factor is 5y. So I take the 5y up, and we're left with x plus 1, and we put them together, the two outside numbers, we put them together in one parentheses, and add them, so it's 2 plus 5y, and then the x plus 1, put that, and remember your 4, and bring that down here. So we're going to move on to column B now. So the first problem is 60x to the third power plus 20x to the second power plus 75x plus 25. So I simplified, and I saw that all these 5 could be pulled out. So I pulled out 5, and I'm left with 12x to the third power plus 4x to the second power and 15x and plus 5. And I split it into two problems. I didn't really need to do rearranging here because these are both similar and these are both also similar. So I split it up into two problems. And for this, the common factor pulling out right here was 4x to the second power. And then I was left with 3x plus 1. And here I pulled out 5 and I was left with 3x plus 1. So here I can combine 5 and 4x to squared into 1 and 3x plus 1, which is right here. And remember our 5, put that back into here. The last problem that I dealt with was 28xy plus 24x plus 70y plus 60. So here I could take out 4. Here I could take out 2, and I was with 2. 14xy plus 12x plus 35y plus 30, and here I split it right down the middle. So right here, the greatest common factor was 2x. I took that out. Now we're with 2x, 7y plus 6. And then here I took out 5, and we're left with 7y plus 6. So now I group together 2x and 5 in one parentheses, and then 7y plus 6, which is the same on both sides in one parentheses. And remember our 2, bring it back here. And that's how you do greatest common factor in grouping problems. Thank you so much.